Hi, I am Sridhar from Government Women's College, Tumkur. Today I am making the video on the probability current density in quantum mechanics. This topic is for the third BSc students of Tumkur University. So I would like to request for the viewers to subscribe my channel Sri Tutor and also hit the bell icon for the recent updates of the video. So now we'll move to the probability current density. So immediately a doubt is arised, what is the difference between the probability current density and the probability density? So because we are discussed in the previous classes about the probability density. The probability density will gives the probability of finding the particle in the given quantum state. In the given quantum state, what are the number of particles are present in a given volume? So that will gives the probability. So as the probability of finding the particle in the given system is decreases, the probability decreases. The probability may be there or not, we don't know. So that probability, if it is decreases by the same amount, the probability of finding the particle in outside the quantum system or quantum state is increases. If this case happens, then the conservation of the probability current density will satisfies. So this the conservation of the probability density can be expressed by the continuity equation. The continuity equation is dou rho by dou t plus divergence of J is equal to 0. So where rho is the density and J is the current density. So that equation we are generally used in hydrodynamics and also in electrostatics. So this equation is will tells about the velocity of the fluid and the charge density and also the current density, current density of charge, and all the information about the particle or the fluid, charge particle and the fluid. The same concept can be applied to this quantum mechanical state of the system. So that will explains the charge particle, number of charged particles present in the quantum mechanical system, and also the the probability of the current density, probability of current density of that charged particle if the particle is charged. So the same concept can be applied in the case of quantum mechanical system. For that, to obtain the expression for the probability current density, we have to choose the differential equation which describes that quantum state. What is that differential equation? That equation is Schrodinger equation. The Schrodinger equation have the two types. Actually, the Schrodinger equation is the only one type. For our convenient, we are making to two. One is the time dependent and the other is the time independent. Whatever the time dependent equation is there, that is the Schrodinger equation. So that will gives the information about the system with respect to time as well as the space. So let us consider such Schrodinger equation. We know that is IH cross dou psi by dou t, which is equal to minus h cross divided by 2m del square psi plus v into psi. We can call this is equation number 1. And also we can write the complex conjugate of this expression because the psi may be a complex function and here I is also there. I is an imaginary number which comes in the complex function. So therefore, wherever the I is there, we can write the minus I, and wherever the complex function psi is there, we have to write complex conjugate psi star. So that its complex conjugate is minus IH cross dou psi star by dou t, which is equal to minus h cross square divided by 2m del square psi star plus V into psi star. We can call this is the equation number 2. So now by multiplying the equation 1 by psi star and the equation 2 by psi and subtract 2 by 1. So therefore we can get the expression in the LHS side. You can see this is the LHS term. In the LHS side, IH cross is the common term. You can take a common. The remaining is psi star, because we are multiplying psi star in the equation 1. Psi star dou psi by dou t plus psi into dou psi star by dou t, because psi is multiplied to the equation 2, which is equal to, here v psi star v psi and psi v psi star will get cancelled, because we are subtracting. The remaining is this term. Here again minus h cross square divided by 2m is the common term. So therefore the remaining term is psi star del squared psi minus psi into del squared psi star. So now we can call this as equation number 3. This equation 3 can rearrange. So here h cross is there and here h cross square is there. You can get cancel. And you can bring this I to this side, and it will comes to the numerator. If you bring to the it will comes to the denominator. If you bring to the numerator, it will becomes minus I, minus into minus plus IH cross divided by 2m into psi squared del squared psi, psi star del squared psi minus psi into del squared psi star. This term is a differential of psi star and psi, dou by dou t of psi star and psi, which is equal to this term. We can write this term, this expression, in the form of differential dou by dou t of psi star psi plus dou jx plus dou x plus dou jy by dou y plus dou jz by dou z, which is equal to 0. I forgot to write here, which is equal to 0. So therefore we can call this is equation number 4. For this term, whatever the RHS term is there, that term we can write like this. What is this Jx, Jy and Jz? This is the components of the current probability current density along x, y and z axis. Now that Jx, Jy and Jz can be defined as Jx is equal to IH cross divided by 2m into psi into dou psi star by dou x minus del square psi star into dou psi by dou x. So you can see the equation 3. So here we are bringing this IH cross to this side. You will get the IH cross divided by 2m and psi star del squared psi. So this term we are at, it is all the 3 spatial coordinates. Del squared is for all the 3 spatial coordinates. So therefore we are write this dou x, dou by dou x of jx, differential of the jx, that can be obtained. We can write like this. If you write the jx, whatever you define, by substituting this jx, jy and jz in this equation number 4, you will get the equation number 3, the RHS term of the equation number 3. So therefore we can define the jx as IH cross divided by 2m into psi into dou psi star by dou x minus psi star into dou psi by dou x. And also jy is equal to IH cross divided by 2m psi into dou psi star by dou y minus dou psi star by psi star into dou psi by dou y. And also jz is equal to IH cross divided by 2m psi into dou psi star by dou z minus psi star into dou psi by dou z. So now equation 4 can also be written in the form of dou rho by dou t plus divergence of j is equal to 0, because equation 4 is dou jx by dou x plus dou jy by dou y plus dou jz by dou z. So that is the divergence of j. So where j is a current density and j will be equal to jxi plus jyj plus jz, where jx, jy and jz are the components of the vector j. It is a vector operator. Current density is the vector operator. So here we can call this is equation number 5, and where this rho is psi star psi and J is ith cross divided by 2m psi del psi star minus psi star del psi. So this is the differential operator. So this equation 5, I said it is a continuity equation. The continuity equation, we find this equation in hydrodynamics as well as the electrostatics. Here rho is the probability density, where in the previous case in hydrodynamics we are called this is the density of the fluid, and J is the current density of the fluid. And the same thing in the electrostatics, the charge density and charge current density of charges. And the same concept we are applied in the quantum mechanical state or in the system. So this equation 5 will gives the probability in the equation 5. The rho will gives the probability density, that is the number of particles per unit volume, and J is the probability current density. So this equation 5 can be multiplied by the charge E, because whatever the quantum mechanical state we are described in that system or the state, the particle may be a charged particle. So if the E is the charge of that particle, and we can write, if you multiply that E to the equation number 5, so then you will get EP. So that is rho, not P. So E rho will gives the charge density. So E rho will gives the charge density, and EJ will gives the current density of charge in the quantum mechanical system or in the state. So if you multiply E to the rho, so E rho is the charge density. So because we are multiplying the charge. So what are the number of charges are present in that state, and also EHA will give the current density of charge in the quantum mechanical system, or whatever we describe. So now equation 5 can also be expressed as dou rho by dou t. This is rho, not p. Dou rho by dou t, which is equal to minus divergence of J. This shows that the rate of change of probability of particle inside the surface or in that system, which is equal to negative, this is negative, not negative, negative of the probability of current density through the surface area A. So we are equating this expression, equation 5. So if you bring that divergence of J to the right hand side, you will get the dou rho by dou t is equal to minus divergence of J. So the whatever this mathematical form of dou rho by dou t, that is gives the rate of change of probability of the particle. So probability of the particle in the inside the quantum mechanical system, in which is equal to minus negative of the probability current density through the surface area. So probability current density through the surface area. So this is about the probability current density in quantum mechanical system. We can in examination they may ask the problems on this probability current density by giving any wave function psi. So if you have the psi, you can differentiate that psi with respect to t, and also differentiate with respect to all the variables x, y, z. You will get and simplify, and you will get the probability current density expression for probability current density.